Hi, very good morning. Here we are today, Harpreet and Kosha, me. We'll be talking about our product, Partake, uh, taking our discussion further from the lead. We'll be talking about marketing and selling our product at Walmart. So we'll just take you through the presentation and we'll talk as the presentation proceeds. Next. So basically, the agenda of this meeting happens to be to give you an in-depth knowledge of our product, to explain the features of our product, the benefits of our product, thereby explaining the implementation plan that we can have at Walmart stores in terms of how we can market the product efficiently and effectively. We do have uh, some demonstrations here to be done. And the best part, of course, what will be the expected outcomes of your investment? So let's take it further, Harpreet. Well, here we are on 16th morning, and we'll take you through a few other details as well. Let's take the slide further, Harpreet. Well, again, just to highlight the fact that we are talking about the implementation plan, the product features, the benefits, what our business proposal actually is going to be like, and how it looks like, and how it can be implemented over the next few months. And then we have a few testimonials for you, and of course, the ROI, the positive impact that it will have on Walmart and the business revenue. Next. So, let's begin with talking about our last discussion. We really focused on a few points that you mentioned to us, that you do have a lot of variety of beverages in your aisles currently at the stores. However, you are wanting to launch, or you are wanting to have a product which is alcohol free and something that is different from the other juices, or something that is just a little different from the other beverages that you currently have. So based on that, we are going to talk about our product at Partake, which is an alcohol free beer, which tastes essentially like a beer. The flavor, the fizz, everything, is just like beer, but it's not beer. So that's what we're going to talk about today, about launching this product and having it in your aisles, in your stores, and to see the expected outcomes. Next. So let's really talk about what Partake is like. So we are a brewery, essentially into brewing beers. However, the beers are pretty much like beers. They taste like beers, but they are alcohol free, absolutely alcohol free. We are marketing that. And the other benefit and a feature of the product is that it is healthy. And when I say healthy, what I really mean is the calorie content and the carbs value is very, very low. So calorie content is 30 or lesser in all of our products, and the 5 products that we have. And the carbs about 8 or less carbs in all of the range, in all of the variety that we have. So essentially what Partake is like. And we have 5 different flavors, which is pale, IPA, stout, red, and blonde. So these are the flavors that we've actually categorized in terms of giving a different texture to every, sort of drink that we are manufacturing. Apart from that, what we are really looking at in terms of our target audience is that anybody who's looking at a healthy routine can consume this as a part of their daily diet, because it's healthy and it's alcohol free. Apart from this, our target audience can be anybody who loves consuming alcohol, but obviously does not like the after effects of alcohol. So I think most of us would do that, no? So that's essentially our target audience that we're looking at in terms of this product. Taking you further, let's go on the next slide. So discussing the implementation plan and how we'll be executing the plan is where I'd like my colleague Harpreet to take over. Harpreet, please.
So now you all will be thinking how we'll take this further and what would be our strategy and what would be the process. So from 1st of January, we'll be having our product experts at 10 stores, 10 Walmart stores around Ontario. And this in these 10 stores, we'll be making the customers taste our products. Okay, our product experts will tell them what are the benefits of it, how are they going to be, how this alcohol-free beer would be useful and beneficial for them. Okay, so what we'll be doing is starting 1st January 2022, we'll be targeting 10 Walmart stores with our product experts. So now, when you think about how this is going to happen, so we have divided the plan into two parts, that is phase 1 and phase 2. Okay, so the phase 1 will be giving you 10,000 units per store in January 2022, 2,000 flavors, 2,000 units of per flavor. Now, for Walmart specifically, we have thought of giving 24 cans for $48. So for just January month, you'll be paying us $20,000 for 10,000 units. Okay. Now, when with the our experts at your stores, we'll be trying to gain as much as attention of the customers in the first one. For the phase 2, that is Feb 2022, we'll be giving you 20,000 units per store, okay, with 4,000 units per flavor. Now that will cost you just around $40,000 for 20,000 units. So this is how it's going to happen. Now the next thing what we are doing is going to be, now you think like what Walmart is actually having is a lot of the normal beverages, the juices and other things. But when it comes to us as Partake, what is different? Or what is that difference that will help your sell us more, sell Partake more? So the first thing is, the calorie count. The calorie count is way too less than any of the non-alcoholic or any of the beverages in Canada. Okay, so I'll tell you the calorie count is lesser than 30. Which is almost lesser than any of our competitors. Okay, this is one of our major USPs. Okay, the second thing is when it comes to the taste. Okay, along with the calorie count, the taste matters a lot. The taste is as similar to what you would want to have in an alcoholic beer, right? Along with this, the third part is the carb count. The carbs are lesser than 8 for each and every flavor of ours. Now, I think we've done too much of talking about ourselves. Now, let me take you to what our customers have to say about us. We've been, here are 2 testimonials about us, okay? How people have loved this and why they have been choosing this over other competitors or other non-alcoholic beers, right? So we've also won a Best Beverage Award, okay, in the past 3 years since we're brewing the non-alcoholic beer. The second award is CHFA Launchpad Award, and the third is US Beer Championship Award. So these are some of the 3 awards which we have won. Okay. Now, let's go to, now I understand, that you would want to know, like so much of people are, so many people are talking about us as a brand. Why don't you get to taste one? So here is one of, here are some tasters which we've got for you and your team. Okay, you can always come in and taste them. Tell us your inputs on these. So, as we've been waiting a lot talking about the brand and the non-alcoholic beer, now comes the important part of the presentation, which is expected outcomes or what would you get in return, right? So you'll be investing $200,000 for just 4 months with a return on investment of 12.5%. Okay, on $200,000, you will be getting a revenue of $225,000. So that's how it's going to be for the next 4 months, and then we can increase our revenues and return on investment as we plan for the next year. So, Kosha, would you like to just take over and finalize things?
So yes, absolutely. And I think we would love to have any of your queries or concerns. If there are any, we can talk about it, we can share it. Of course, if there's anything else in your mind, you can let us know. And one thing which I would like to really kind of emphasize on is that I believe, knowing Walmart from so long, I think it was started more than, it's been so. I know for a fact that Walmart also started with one outlet back in the 1962. And I know it started as one single outlet, and now it has grown to, there's no limit. You name it, it's just like we have around 300 stores in Ontario alone. So that's a huge number. So that is something that we as a company who's recently launched is looking at. So somewhere I think the journey is the same, wherein we have started off just like Walmart did at some point. So we just need that kind of backing, the right kind of backing. And we are very sure that, our product will not let you down and you will not regret having our product in your stores. In fact, it will only and only be something which is very profitable, not just in terms of revenue, but in terms of having a long-term relationship. I'm very confident, and I think so is Harpreet, that we are really looking forward to a long-term association with you all, and expanding as a company along with Walmart is something that is foreseen in the future for Partake as well. So I'm sure you, being a part of Walmart, would understand the mind frame that we're coming from. We are right now a small company wanting to grow just like Walmart. So, somewhere the aspiration remains the same. So the only support that we need is a good backing at this point of time. And I'm sure our product will reap benefits and it will have the kind of expected outcomes that we have noted down in this presentation today. So I really want to thank you both for your time. It was really meeting you. It was so good to meet you today. Thank you so much. And we can connect maybe in a day. You can let us know what time suits you, and we shall connect. Thank you. Thank you so much.